Hi guys, I'll be recording and sharing a few shortcut videos, especially on speed mathematics. I'll be covering a lot of aptitude topics, but focusing more on speed mathematics. So I'll be recording a series of videos of 10-15 minutes to make it easy for you guys. So I'll be starting with cube root and square root videos, followed by LCM, HCF, and other shortcuts like multiplication shortcuts, finding last digit of uh, numbers, finding last digit and last two digits of the numbers, and so on. And also eighth and focusing on eighth, ninth, and tenth mathematics, where you can do it fast, where you can do calculate numbers without pen and paper, where you can do without calci. You can save a lot of time. That's going to help you in your regular academic subjects. Also in future, for if you want to prepare for IIT and other exams, definitely is going to help you guys. So I'll start with the cube root and square root today, and it'll be about 10-15 minutes, I'll repeat, focusing more on speed mathematics. So first, finding cube root of 4, 5, 6, 7 digits numbers, finding cube root of cube numbers, finding cube root of cube numbers. Okay, finding how to find cube root of cube number without pen and paper. All right. So first, what we need to know is what 1 cube, 2 cube, up to 9 cube ends with. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, that ends with 8 obviously. 3 cube is 27 but ends with 7. 4 cube is 64, ends with 4. 5 cube is 125, ends with 5. 6 cube is 216, ends with 6. 7 cube is 343, ends with 3. Similarly, 8 cube is 512, ends with 2. 9 cube is 729, ends with 9. 10 cube is 1000, ends with 0. So if you look at this last digit, 1 cube ends with 1, is no change. You can see that. 4 cube ends with 4, no change, same digit. 5 cube ends with 5. 6 cube ends with 6. You can see 9 cube ends with 9. 0 ends with 0. So these 6 digits ends with same digit, there is no change. But other 4 digits like 2 cube ends with 8. Remember, 2 cube ends with not 2, 8, but 8 cube ends with 2. 2 cube ends with 8, but 8 cube ends with 2. Is there any number which ends with 2? If you are finding cube root of that particular number, remember cube root of that number ends with 8. If a number ends with 8, if you are finding cube root of that particular number, then it ends with 2. Similarly, 3 cube ends with 7 and 7 cube ends with 3. 3 cube ends with 7 and 7 cube ends with 3. So it is like this. 2 is 8, 8 is 2, 3 is 7, 7 is 3, rest of the digit as it is. Okay, so if I take first example, say simple one, 10,648 is a cube number, finding cube root of this particular number. What you need to do, right to left, remember, last 3 digits skip to start with. Skip last 3 digit of the number. What left out is 10. You need to check 10 is between which two cube number. 10 is between which two cube number. 10 is between 8 and 27. That is between 2 cube and 3 cube. Take 2 and 3. 2 and 3 base. Not 2 cube and 3 cube. Just base 2 and 3. Every time take 0 on the right hand side. That is because when you skip 3 digit, for every 3 digit you will get 1 digit cube. So I'm taking the digit now. So answer is between 20 and 30. I repeat, the answer for 10,648, cube root of 10,648 is between 20 and 30. So either it is 21, 22, 23, 24 till 29 possible. But last digit of the number is 8 because 10,648 ends with 8. Last digit of the number is 8. Any number ends with 8. Answer for that particular number ends with 2. 8 is 2. So between 20 and 30, number which ends with 2. Between 20 and 30, number which ends with 2 is 22. Obviously, that's the only number which ends with 2. 21, 22, 23 till 29, number which ends with 2 is 22. So cube root of 10,648 is 22. 22 cube is 10,648. So if I take next one, second one, say 19,683. One more 5-digit number, finding cube root. First step is right to left, last 3 digit we need to skip. So I'm not considering 683. What left is 19. 19 is between, again same 8 and 27. So again answer is between 20 and 30. Between 2 and 3 is 0 every time, is 20 and 30. So answer is either 21, 22, 23 till 29. But this time number ends with 3. Any number ends with 3. Any number which ends with 3, cube root of that particular number ends with 7. So between 20 and 30, number which ends with 7. Between 20 and 30, number which ends with 7 is 27. So cube root of 19,683 is 27. Okay, let's take one more number. 941192. Cube root of 941192. Right to left, if I skip last 3 digits, 192. What's left out is 941. See, 941 is between which two cube number? 941. 941 is between here 9 and 10. Here you can see this is the possibility, right? 9 cube is 729. 10 cube is 1000. Here 941, that is between 9 cube and 10 cube. So we need to write 9 and 10, 0 on the right hand side, obviously. So answer is between 90 and 100. Number ends with 2. Any number which ends with 2. Any number which ends with 2. Here. Any number ends with 2. Answer for that particular number, a cube root of that particular number ends with what? 8. Between 90 and 100, which number ends with 8? Only 98 ends with 8. So what is 98 cube? 98 cube is 9,41,192. 41,192. Here 27 cube is 19,683. Similarly, 22 cube is 10,648. So first one, number ends with 8. Answer ends with what? 2. You can see that. Second one, number ends with 3. Answer ends with what? 7. Next, number ends with 2. Answer ends with 8. Let me take the other digits now. Okay. If I take number, say this time, ends with say 5. Number ends with 5 this time. So let me take the fourth one. Fourth one. 15625. 15625. We are finding cube root, remember. Last 3 digits are 625. 625. What left out is 15. 15 is between again 2 cube and 3 cube. Between 20 and 30. Any number ends with 5. Answer also ends with 5. Any number ends with 5. Answer also ends with 5. Between 20 and 30, the only number which ends with 5 is 25, isn't it? So fifth one for a change, say 704969. 704969. Okay, now 704969, first step, right to left, last 3 digit. Okay, skip. What left out? 704. 704 is between which two cube number? 704 is between which two cube number? It is between 8 cube and 9 cube. For your reference, if you want, you can see here 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 704 is between 8 cube and 9 cube. So answer is between 80 and 90. Answer is between 80 and 90. Any number which ends with 9. Number which ends with 9. Answer also ends with 9. So 89 is the only number which ends with 9. So 89 cube is 7,04,000 969 it is, right? Let me take one more. Say this time for a change, 3 lakh something, 373, 248 is the cube number. Remember, it's a cube number. We are finding cube root of this particular number, 3,73,248. Last three digits, 248, anyways, we are not considering it. All right, what left out is 373. 373 is between 7 cube and 8 cube because 7 cube is 343. So 373 is obviously more than 7 cube. So it is between 7 and 8. And next step is always 0 on the right hand side. So answer is between 70 and 80. Any number ends with 8, answer should end with 2 only. Between 70 and 80, the only number which ends with 2 is 72. Only number which ends with 2 is 72. So this is how we have to find cube root of cube numbers. Cube root of cube numbers. Similarly, you can find square root of square numbers also. Square root of square numbers, not much difference. Almost same. So let me take few examples on square root. These are cube root. If you want me to repeat once again, I'll repeat. That is, first step is always last three digit. You can see last three digit in each of the example. You can see 683 here, 192 next, 969 in the next one, 625 here, 248. Last three digit you need to skip. Next step is remaining digits. Remaining digit in this example, example 2, 19 between 2 cube and 3 cube. Here 941 is between 9 cube and 10 cube. Here 15 is between 2 cube and 3 cube. Here 704 is between 8 cube and 9 cube. Here 373 is between 7 cube and 8 cube. Every time take 0 on the right hand side. In first one you can see 0 on the right hand side, 0 again. Same here in the second example, same in the third, fourth, fifth, and all examples you need to take all numbers, right? 0 on the right hand side. So answer is between. This is nothing but, guys, between these two numbers. Answer is between these two numbers. Here in this case, between 90 and 100. In this case, 20 and 30. In this case, again 20 and 30. Here in last example is between 70 and 80. Last step is you need to look at the last digit of the number. Last digit of second example, 3. So answer should end with 7. Is it ending with 7? Yes. Here last digit of this number is 2. Answer ending with 8. Any number ends with 2, answer should end with 8. Here last digit is 5. Any number ends with 5, answer should end with 5 only. Here in this case, last digit is 9. So any number ends with 9, answer should end with 9 only. Here last digit is 8. Any number ends with 8, answer should end with 2. You can see answer is ending with 2. This is how we have to find cube root. Next is finding square root. First is always last digits. So let's find one by one. 1 square ends with 1. 2 square ends with 4. 3 square ends with 9. 4 square 16 ends with 6. 5 square 25 ends with 5. 6 square ends with 6. 7 square ends with 9. Right? If you want full number, 36, 49. But what we need is only last digit. 8 square is 64 ends with 4. 9 square 81 ends with 1. Right? Now, if you look at this, guys, 1 square ends with 1. 9 square also ends with 1. So any number which ends with 1, answer for that particular number or square root of that particular number either ends with 1 or ends with 9. Okay, if any number ends with 4, guys, then answer for that particular number ends with either 2 or 8. For 9, it is either 3 or 7. For 6, it is either 4 or 6. For example, you know that number ending with 6. And say an answer is between 20 and 30. Then it is either 24 or 26. If number ends with 1, say, and it is between 20 and 30, then it is either 21 or it is 29. If a number ends with 4, it is between 60 and 70, say, then it is either 62 or 68. Any number ends with 4, answer ends with either 2 or 8. Any number ends with 9, answer ends with either 3 or 7. Any number ends with 6, answer ends with either 4 or 6. Any number ends with 1, answer ends with 1 or 9. But if number ends with 5, Answer also ends with 5 only. 5 only. Between 20 and 30, only 25 possible. Between 30 and 40, 35. Only one number for 5. All right. These are called, guys, complement numbers. One complement is 9 in decimal number system. Both ends with 1. Two complement is 8. Both ends with 4. Three complement number is 7. Both ends with 9. Four complement is 6. Ends with 6. Five complement is 5 only. That's why only one number possible. Let me take first example. 6084. Say what we are finding is square root. Remember, not last 3 digit, this time last 2 digit. Right to left, not last 3 digit, last 2 digit. So what left out is 60. 60 is between 49 and 64. These two square numbers, right? 60 is between 49 and 60. That is between 7 square and 8 square. 0 on the right hand side. So answer is between 70 and 80. But any number ends with 4, answer ends with either 2 or 8. So between 70 and 80, number ending with 2 is 72. Number ending with 8 is 78. Two numbers are there, remember, either 72 answer or 78 answer. Since there are two numbers, we need to find the right one here. How to find the right one? So compared to cube root, one extra step in square root. Cube root only one number possible, so no comparing. Here either 72 possible or 78 possible, so you need to find the right one. How to find the right one? So compared to cube root, one extra step. So you need to concentrate on that one extra step, 72 or 78. Look at this screen. 60 is close to 49 or close to 64. 60 is close to 64. Not last 2 digit, remember, remaining. Remaining is 60 here. 6 and 0, 60. It is between 49 and 64, correct. But is it close to 49 or close to 64? It is close to 64, higher side. So higher side is 78. So answer for the question is 78. What if it is close to 49? What if it is close to 49? Then answer for the question is 72. Close to higher side number. Close to lower side, you need to pick the lower side number. All right. Now if I take, say, 11881. Remember square root. Right to left, last 2 digit you need to skip. What left out? 118. 118 is between 100 and 121. Between 10 square and 11 square. 0, 0. All right. Any number ends with 1. Answer ends with either 1 or 9. 101 or 109 it is. 101 or 109. But 118 is close to 100 or close to 121. 118 is close to 121. So you need to go with 109. To go with 109. All right, let me take a few more examples. Third one. 12544, say 12544. Last 2 digits 44. What left out is 125. It is between 121 and 144. Between 11 square and 12 square. 0, 0. 125. 44 ends with 4. Any number ends with 4. Answer ends with either 2 or 8. 112 or 118. But 125 is close to 121. So you need to go with 112. So answer for the question is 112. All right. The fourth one, say 12769. 12769. You are finding square root. Last 2 digits. Skip what left out. 127 between 121 and 144. 11 square and 12 square. 0 on the right hand side. Any number which ends with 9. Any number which ends with 9. Answer ends with either 3 or 7. So either 113 answer or it is 117. 113 or 117. But 127 is close to 121. So answer for the question is 113. If I take number ends with say 5, number ends with 5. 156 is between 144 and 169, between 12 square and 13 square, 120, 130. But any number ends with 5, answer also ends with 5 only. Between 120 and 130, the only number which ends with 5 is 125. No other digits possible because any number ends with 5, answer ends with 5 only. So no comparing, only one number possible like cube root, only one answer, nothing to compare. So square root of 15,625 is 120, 125. Okay, if I take 6, 7, 8 digit number, you need to be good at, finding square of 20, 30, 40. Then you can also find cube root or square root of 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. For that, you need to be good at multiplication. So when I take multiplication shortcuts in coming classes, in the coming videos, then you will find those numbers also very, very simple and easy. Only thing is you need to be little quick when it comes to multiplying numbers. So after multiplication shortcuts, you'll also find 8, 9, 10 digit numbers also easy, straightforward. Without pen and paper, you should be able to do it. So I covered cube root, also square root of the number. Remember, finding cube root of cube numbers only and finding square root of square numbers only. So in my next video, multiplication shortcuts, LCM and SCF shortcut, finding last digit and other things we'll concentrate on. Thank you so much, guys.